Car Glass Cleaner ensures clear visibility, removes grime, and improves driving safety in all conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best car glass cleaner that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Invisible Glass Car Glass Cleaner. Invisible Glass Cleaner truly lives up to its name, delivering a crystal clear, streak-free shine that's instantly noticeable. As the #1 top-selling automotive glass cleaner, it's trusted for both car and home use, and it shows in performance. The deep cleansing foam formula works hard to cut through road grease, fingerprints, dirt, salt, and stubborn grime, leaving glass looking practically invisible. What really stands out is the clear dry formula. There are no drips, no streaks, and absolutely no residue left behind, no soaps, dyes, or artificial scents to worry about. It dries fast and clean, making glass cleaning quick and hassle-free. Being ammonia-free, it's completely safe for tinted windows, windshields, mirrors, and even stainless steel surfaces. Proudly made in the USA with premium ingredients, Invisible Glass Cleaner delivers reliable, professional-level results every time. If you want maximum clarity, safer driving visibility, and spotless glass without effort, this cleaner is an excellent choice. Now our second product is Windex Car Glass Cleaner. Windex Ceramic Car Glass Cleaner takes glass care to the next level by cleaning and protecting in one simple step. Powered by advanced CO2 ceramic technology, it not only removes dirt, dust, fingerprints, and road grime but also leaves behind a slick hydrophobic coating. The result is improved clarity, impressive water beading, and better visibility during rain or wet conditions. This glass cleaner significantly reduces streaks and water spots, delivering a crystal clear view that enhances driving safety and comfort in all weather. It's versatile enough for both exterior and interior automotive glass, as well as household windows, mirrors, and even marine windshields. Best of all, it's safe for tinted and coated glass surfaces. The easy spray-on wipe application makes cleaning fast and mess-free. Just spray onto glass or a microfiber towel, wipe, and buff. With long-lasting protection and professional-grade results, HydroView is an excellent choice for anyone seeking cleaner, clearer, and safer glass. Our third product is Meguiar's Car Glass Cleaner. Meguiar's glass cleaner delivers truly crystal clear results, cutting through fingerprints, oily film, and stubborn road grime with minimal effort. The ammonia-free formula is completely safe for tinted windows and interior surfaces, protecting screens, plastics, and trim without risking fading or damage. What really stands out is the water repellent effect. It leaves behind a light hydrophobic layer that helps repel water and dirt, improving visibility and reducing how often you need to clean. Using it is effortless. Simply spray onto a microfiber towel and wipe gently for a streak-free, residue-free finish. There's no haze, no smears, and no aggressive rubbing required. Its versatility makes it even better, working perfectly on windshields, side and rear windows, mirrors, infotainment screens, LCDs, and even home or office glass. Overall, it's a reliable, easy-to-use solution for maintaining clear, spotless glass everywhere you need it. Now number 4, Rain-X Car Glass Cleaner. Rain-X Pro Cerami-X Glass Cleaner plus water repellent makes windshield care incredibly simple with its spray-on, wipe-off application. It delivers a consistently streak-free finish, leaving glass crystal clear in just minutes. Powered by advanced Cerami-X and proprietary Hydrophobic technology, it creates exceptional water beading that quickly pushes rain away, significantly improving visibility while driving in wet conditions. Beyond cleaning, this formula actively protects your windshield from environmental elements and chemical contaminants, helping maintain clarity for longer periods. What truly sets it apart is its durability. One application provides up to 6 weeks of long-lasting water repellency, reducing the need for frequent reapplication. Whether you're commuting daily or planning a long road trip, this cleaner offers reliable performance, enhanced safety, and lasting protection. A single use goes a long way, making it a smart, time-saving choice for any driver. And our last choice is Chemical Guy's Car Glass Cleaner. This all-in-one car interior cleaner is a favorite among detailing enthusiasts for good reason. Its versatile formula safely cleans and protects leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and even glass, delivering a true showroom-quality finish. Designed for dashboards, door panels, seats, trim, and navigation screens, it easily lifts dirt, dust, and body oils without fading or damage. What makes this cleaner stand out is its ability to both clean and protect in one simple step. It restores surfaces to a natural, OEM-style look while leaving behind a protective layer that helps resist dust, fingerprints, and everyday wear. Application is fast and effortless, just spray and wipe, with no rinsing or extra buffing required. The result is a clean, fresh interior with a natural sheen that's never greasy or slippery. Beyond your car, it's also perfect for home or office surfaces, making it a truly versatile cleaning solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.